Hi guys, so I've started without you. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. First I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette. Sorry, the palette's so dirty. That's what I've popped on my lid already. These shades are like so highly pigmented, it's the best. Damn girl! That burnt orange shade, I'm so excited tonight. I've got my friend's hen celebration. Now I'm gonna use that darker shade. I'm a wreck today, so I just literally, this morning I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning to go and do a bridal party. And then straight after that, I had to do other makeup and then more makeup. And I literally only finished at 3:30 this afternoon. And usually I'd go later, but gotta get to my girl's hands. And I'm just gonna use my finger to do that, just because I'm slightly in a rush, but I really wanted to film this look because I got the new Gemma Isabella eyelashes. So keen. Okay, so I've gone ahead and put my liner and brows on. I absolutely love my brows at the moment. My brow artist is Kathy at Fair Beauty at Miranda. She is so good. She sometimes watches my videos, so hey Kathy. Okay, so now for my favorite part. Look what I ordered. I absolutely love these lashes, so let's just do a like cool unboxing. Let's hope none of them fall out. Oh no, it's gone. Fail. Let's do it again. So these are all the lashes. They're all the names of her styles. Oh, I don't know what one to pick. But they're super fluffy and super gorgeous. They are stunning. I'm gonna wear these ones. I always put Lash Group Ardell on my strip lashes. That's my favorite glue to use. I'm just gonna place them on with my fingers to start with, and then I'll adjust them with lash tweezers. I need a mirror. Stop it, they look so good. Oh my God, I've got glue there. Oh my gosh, they are amazing. They're a little bit long at the front for me, but I'm just gonna leave them because I'll get over it. But they just look so good. Might just need to push them down a slight bit. Wow, that makes a massive difference. Look at my eyes. Oh my God, they're so beautiful. They're like so fluffy as well. Oh my Lord, they're stunning. Wow, Gemma, they're so beautiful. Love fluffy lashes. I just can't even deal. Oh my God. I can't stop staring at it. I've just literally got to stop staring at it. Got to move on with this video, but wow, okay. Wow, I can't wait to try the rest of them because this is just one style. I've got like 4 more to try. This is so good. Also, they were so easy to put on. Like the curve of these lashes, like in the box, comes out perfectly. Like look at that curve. I don't know if you can see it, but it is just amazing. This is like my bad side to put it on, and I didn't get the mirror. They're just like sitting on top of the lashes. Okay, hold on. Obviously my favorite oil is this Touch oil. We all know this. Today at the wedding, I dropped it on the floor and half of the oil went and spilled out onto the floor. I was like, oh, sorry, half the oil's gone, but that's okay. It's okay. Lucky the bottle didn't smash and just the oil went on the floor. And the floor was tiled, so it was all good. Okay, so I got these. Let's see how good these are. The last time I used something like this, I hated it. I did not like the way that it finished. It just was streaky. It was moving the product and I just hated it. So let's try it again. These weren't the brushes that I used. So firstly, I'm gonna pop my tartar oil on. I'm not gonna pop it on with this brush because I just feel like I wanna use the brushes just for my product only, like my foundation product. Oh my God, this tartar oil, yes! It's like my voice does like the happiness and my face doesn't, but I am literally so tired from this morning that my face cannot move. My eyes are like burning. That's how tired I am. Life of a makeup artist. Look what I just found. Red lipstick on my elbow. What the hell? How did that even get there? Okay, what is going on? Where? Oh, jeez. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh no, I already think I'm not gonna like it. I lied. I like it. Oh my God, this is so much better than the ones I tried ages ago. The other ones were such a punish. I couldn't get any of the makeup on. And it was like so streaky. This just like goes on. Look, you can just see it. Okay, this is the moment of truth. The second layer. This is where it goes streaky. Oh no, not too bad. Wow, that was probably the fastest application of foundation that I've ever done. What the hell? That was so good. Still a little bit crazy though. I have to go over it with a beauty blender, but the hard part of like actual putting it on is done. Oh my gosh, transform my face because I look so tired and now I actually like my face. Woo! So I love my Pro Longwear Concealer with my MAC. Obviously you can tell because I literally have no MAC left. And I'm just gonna do this with my finger because I don't like to get it on any of my other products. The orange is just for dark circles. I'm okay. The moment of truth. I always say like the moment of truth. Wow, see, it doesn't even smudge the other stuff. That's so good. Still OCD, I have to dab over the top of it with the beauty blender. Can't help myself. I just like it really pressed into the skin. Okay, I'm really scared about this one. Doing my contour with this brush actually scares me because last time it ruined my whole makeup with that other brand. Oh my God, you can even blend it out like on my forehead. I don't know if I'll do it on my cheek. I'll try. I'm just gonna grab that bigger brush. Oh yeah, the bigger brush does it. It's good to apply it with the smaller brush. Ooh, that really worked. Look at that side, not blended, and then that side. And it blends it so smooth. The nose, this tiny brush. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh, it's too dark. Ah! Oh, I stuffed it. It's okay, guys, it's okay. I don't know what this one is. This is like the lip one, but way too dark, but we can blend it. We can save this. My nose looks snatched, but I look like I have two lines down the front of my nose, so let's just, we'll get there, you know? We'll get there. I'm just gonna have to get my beauty blender and go over the top because I totally made that way too dark. I'm going to set under my eyes. Okay, so I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour contour like always because it's my favorite and I don't stray from it. If it ain't broke, what is it? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. No, that's wrong. Whatever. I don't know. And I really wish I had the Reezy highlight, but I don't. So we're going with this. The Amber Rose Gold. Actually, that can be the undertone because the vibes I'm going for is like super highlight tonight. So obviously white sand. Obviously white sand is my favorite go-to. And I'm just going to use the same colors as I used on the top underneath. Okay, so that's the end of my look. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.